welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing lemonade. It's a lychee pomegranate that you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lychee. You know that the lychee comes from Asia. You could find it in any store. I have lemons, I have pomegranate, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lychee pomegranate lemonade. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add half a cup of water. And let's go to the stove and start melting the sugar. It really doesn't take too long. A minute later, it gets really foggy. And then 1 more minute, and you know something? It's really see-through. You could really see through the water. And here I have my organic pomegranate that I'm going to reserve and put on the side. And now I am ready to take my organic lemons and my lychee and rinse them very good. Let's go ahead and rinse them very good, taking our time. Once this is done, we are ready to start getting, of course, the juice of my lemons. These are organic, and I want to show you that they have no seeds. They are small, but you know something? They have a lot of juice inside. And the best thing is that they have no seeds. That's the best thing. I don't have to put my juice through a sifter. I just got to add it just like that to my lemonade. Look at this. Now I am ready to get the juice out of these lemons. And you know something? Of course that I'm going to take my time because I don't want to leave nothing behind. Nothing at all. Look at this. Okay, let me continue getting the juice of the rest of the lemons. And here I am completely done, and I got about 1 cup of the lemon juice. You could see the little pulp in there, and that's exactly how I'm going to leave it. That's exactly how I'm going to add it to my lemonade. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. And I have the lychee here. Look at this. They are so tasty. They are so sweet. Let me show you how to cut them open. Slice it through the center and then just pull the skin off. The skin is very thin. Look at this. It looks like a pearl. And then take this little part off. And let me show you how this looks. Of course, it has a seed inside, and we are going to remove it. But I want to show you how easy it is to remove the skin. The skin is really thin. And now just cut it open through the middle and get the seed out. Look at this. I want to show you how the pulp looks. It's brown from the inside and very white from the outside. Okay, I'm going to continue slicing the rest and getting the lychee ready. I have all the pulp of the lychee here. I removed all the seeds, and now I'm ready to add it to my blender cup. And of course, I'm using my NutriBullet because that's the one I use to make all my lemonades. I'm adding just enough water to blend it completely, and it really doesn't take too long to blend all the lychee. Okay, this is completely done, and now I'm just going to transfer it to my glass cup, and here I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. But I want to show you how this looks. You could still see the little pieces of the lychee. Of course, the inside it's a little brown, so you could see those brown specks. I'm adding just directly my lemon with the pulp, and I'm gonna add the pinch of salt. You could barely see it. It's just a barely pinch of salt. And now I am ready to add my simple syrup and water. This is the water, and let me show you how this looks. I added just enough water. The total water is 1 liter. Look at this. This lemonade is so refreshing. It's just amazing. I have the simple syrup here, and remember, the simple syrup is to taste. Let me taste it. Oh my gosh, this tastes amazing. I have my pitcher here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add enough ice. I wanna add the pitcher with a lot of ice and then add the pomegranate. Look at this. Of course, I'm gonna add just a little bit on the top, and I'm gonna start adding my lychee lemonade. This lemonade really is so refreshing and so tasty that once you make it, you're gonna continue making it. Remember, the lychee, you could buy it at any supermarket. Right now is the season. Okay, this is completely done. And of course, I'm gonna get ready my glass, and I'm gonna decorate it just like that. It looks amazing. I'll see you in a little bit. With this delicious lemonade. This lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. It's a lychee pomegranate lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. And of course, you could enjoy them just like this. The combination of the lychee and pomegranate is just a perfect combination. Nice and refreshing. It has a lot of properties, and you know, you guys are going to love it. I hope you make it at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious lychee pomegranate lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.